Anirban, you are currently, and correct me if I'm wrong, you're currently outside the hotel Hyatt Regency where Messi currently is putting up at. It is in Salt Lake itself, but yes, Salt Lake has been buzzing, not just Salt Lake, the city of joy has been buzzing with that energy to understand, to just catch that one glimpse of the hero, the god that they consider of football at this given point. What's the pulse been like?
Well, see, right now we can see that the hotel is just adjacent to the stadium, and right now we are waiting at the stadium for Leo Messi to arrive. We have already seen that there is huge tight security over there. We are just right in front of the main gate of Salt Lake Stadium, where Messi will arrive in some minutes, in few minutes. And already the Bollywood Badshah King Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, has already arrived in the stadium for the grand event, and it's few minutes away from the grand event we are, and this is the straight way my camera person Lisan is showing you that he will enter from this area, and the whole area is being cordoned off, and the tight security over there, the central force as well as the Kolkata police, the Bidhannagar police commissionerate, everyone is being preparing for the Messi's arrival. As you can see, the tight security arrangements is there. The army has already taken it, and also the people over here, the fans over here, all are eagerly waiting for Messi's arrival. As we know that as Shah Rukh Khan has already arrived, and after that Messi will arrive, and after that CM Mamata Banerjee as well as Saurav Ganguly will also arrive in some time, and after that the felicitation ceremony and the exhibition match is going to held. So right now you can see there is also the fans over here, those who are waiting for Messi, and there is a huge crowd inside the stadium. We cannot show you the crowd right now. We cannot hear you from this mic, boom mic, but I can hear it. I can feel it. The buzz, the thing that is going on inside the stadium, the Messi Messi slogan, and that's it happening from this Salt Lake Stadium, and also the Kolkata is gearing up. Few peoples over there, those who have not got tickets, they were in the queue outside the stadium to see their god once, as they're considering Messi as a god. So right now it's a tremendous and magnetic situation right now, magnetic environment right now in the city of joy and the sports crazy city, as we can see and say that it's a football crazy city as well. Anjali.
Absolutely, Anirban. This is Riya this side, and yes, I've seen the craze myself in Kolkata, gearing up for this very momentous occasion, and people just are waiting to catch that glimpse. And it's an electrifying atmosphere that we see in Kolkata, and today is the D-Day for unveiling that statue and also to host Messi once again after 14 long years. So yes, it is a big day today that we are speaking of, Anirban. Thank you for bringing us all those details, and we will keep coming back to you for all those updates from the Salt Lake Stadium, where people are currently gathering, in fact, for the big match that is to take place. It's a friendly match, let us tell you. But yes, of course, nothing like witnessing the king of football in action. Now, let's quickly take you through some of the reactions that's been coming in since morning, where people, let us tell you, have been enthused and excited since months now for this very visit.
हमारे घर जो है वो तो मेसी के नाम पे ही है। इच्छापुर में जो अर्जेंटीना टी स्टॉल जो है सीबेदा के नाम पे, हमारा घर की सब कुछ, मेरा जो सामान है घर का, जो सब अर्जेंटीना नाम और मेसी के नाम पे है। और मेरा जो हस्बैंड है और मेरी जो बेटी है, आज मेसी के साथ उसका मीट होगा। हम बाहर है, वो अंदर जाएगा, उसके साथ मीट करके फिर हम मैदान में जाएंगे हमारा खेल देखने, और जो प्रोग्राम होगा वो हम देखेंगे। सबसे पता है उससे हम बहुत एक्साइटेड है, लेकिन आज मिलने का दिन आज के तो फाइनली वो वेटिंग इज ओवर। देन आई एम सो हैप्पी नॉट टू वर्ड्स टू डिस्क्राइब दिस फीलिंग्स एंड इमोशंस। वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम?
हम लोग कोलकाता से ही है।
कोलकाता से ही है आप लोग। कितने एक्साइटेड हो मेसी को देखने?
तो बहुत ज्यादा, हम लोग तो भगवान को देखने आए।
क्या करोगे अगर सामने मिल गया तो?
सामने तो नहीं मिलेगा, मिल गया तो पैर वैर छूना होगा लग रहा है।
पैर छूना होगा, गिर पड़ भी सकते हैं, फेंट भी हो सकते हैं, ORS लेके जाना होगा।
हाँ हाँ सब रेडी रखना होगा।
सामने मिलेगा मैं उसको झुकूंगा, ऐसे ऐसे झुकूंगा उसे।
We suffered, but ultimately we won, and still now we are winning. Still continuing, our trophies is increasing in number, so excitement is necessary. Seeing him in my eyes, through my eyes, is more important than a selfie. Like it's an emotion. Love you.
ये जो हुडी पहन गया ना, इसमें भी मेसी लिखा है। मैं ऐसा मेसी का फैन हूँ। ये भी उतारने को मन कर रहा है क्योंकि इतना गर्मी बढ़ गया है ना। बोला ना, गर्मी इतना बढ़ गया है कि सिर्फ चारों ओर मेसी और मेसी। हमें पता नहीं है कि मेसी को देख सके क्योंकि वो गाड़ी में आ रहा है ना, पैदल तो नहीं जाएगा। लेकिन हमारे 1% जो उम्मीद है ना, वो उम्मीद ही काफी है।
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है क्योंकि भगवान अपना राज्य में वापस कर रहा है। बहुत ही खुश लग रहा है क्योंकि इसके पहले 2011 में आया था तब उनका बुक में 2 स्टार था, अभी 3 स्टार हो गया, वर्ल्ड कप विनिंग कैप्टन हो गया। इससे बड़ा कुछ नहीं है एक मेसी फैन, एक अर्जेंटीना फैन की तरफ से। अभी आ रहा है कोलकाता पे, इतना लोग देखिए, ये सिर्फ एक साइन जर्सी का सेल्फी लेने के लिए नहीं आया है, ये सिर्फ एक झलक देखने के लिए आया है।
Messi fans are thrilled and excited to see their icon. India Today's Anirban interacted with a few of them as we were bringing in their voices. Listen in to what they have to say.
Just behind me, we can see that this is the replica house of Lionel Messi, where Messi is sitting with his family and enjoying a day. And this is the car of Messi just in front of his house, and this is how one of the big fan, whose name is Uttam Shah, has built this house as a symbol of the replica of Messi's house. And what is inside? I will ask my camera person Listen to show that this is the image inside. That Messi, all the memories of Messi's playing days, from be it young Messi too, he has grown bigger. And also there is replicas of Messi's all the prizes and awards. This we can see that Ballon d'Ors, the 8 Ballon d'Ors he won, and also the golden boots. Those Messi won in the World Cups and other tournaments. And also the golden ball, and the man of the matches in the recent World Cup as well. And also there, the king, Messi, is sitting with all of his trophies.
Anirban is back with us on the broadcast with more details from the very ground at this given point. Anirban, let me understand this. You've been doing reports of several such houses of fans who have, in their own way, paid their tribute to the player, to the greatest of all time. What more are you learning? Just share some anecdotes from the fans you've met. What more, some interesting experiences of fans that they have to share about how they will be celebrating the hero today.
As you know, that Kolkata is always said as a sports crazy city as well as football crazy city, because in Bengali there is a tone, there is a line that shop khelar shera Bangalir tumi football, means for Bengali football is the favorite and foremost game. So right now, as I met a few of the fans, those who have built the replica of the houses, who is Uttam Shah, who is a Jabra fan of Messi, who has watched several matches of Messi in other countries as well. And also people are considering him as a god. And right now, when we have talked about the 10 lakh rupees for a grit and meet price, ticket price, so they said that for Messi we can do anything. So right now, the people over here are very crazy for Messi, and they are waiting, as we have seen yesterday night.
Just give me 1 second there, and I'm sorry to interrupt. I'll come back to the fan stories. Viewers, this is Shah Rukh Khan's car right now that we are getting glimpses of. He's just met the football hero Messi at Hyatt Regency in Salt Lake itself in Kolkata, where he's currently putting up These are the latest visuals that we are accessing from Kolkata. Shah Rukh Khan exiting the hotel after having met Messi at the very hotel premises itself. Later on, he shall also be heading towards the Salt Lake Stadium to watch that friendly match that will be taking place. We know Shah Rukh Khan, of course, is considered to be the adopted superstar of Kolkata, of Bengal, and he himself is also an ardent football fan. We've seen his love for sports, be it cricket, be it football. So yes, the superstar had flown down to Kolkata just to meet Lionel Messi there in the city of joy, sharing moments in a city which is close to both the superstar Shah Rukh Khan as well as the superstar footballer Messi, given that, as my colleague was also mentioning, Kolkata has always been a place that celebrates football like no other city. And if we speak of Kolkata, the love dates back to Maradona, to now, in fact, the king of current contemporary football, that is Lionel Messi. I'll come back to Anirban at this given point. Anirban, yes, as you were explaining, or rather bringing us more experiences from the fans, so many of them, different ways they're celebrating. Some even said that, yes, just one glimpse would be enough and they would probably faint out of joy. That is the kind of ecstasy, that is the kind of euphoria we see with which the Salt Lake Stadium already seems to be buzzing.
Exactly. So they're spending several monies. They're spending thousands of rupees to see once Messi, and also the main attraction is with Messi. There is Suarez and Rodrigo De Paul, who are the Barca legends and also the Argentine superstars. So right now, people over here, in few minutes, I will show you. The police are taking place, and in few minutes, the Messi's convoy, the car will enter from here to the stadium, and this is the main door, this is the main gate of the stadium where Messi and his teammates will come soon and will enter the stadium from there. And also we have seen that the security arrangements are being tighter right now, and police were being arranged in a queue, and in few minutes Messi will enter the Yuva Bharati, Swami Vivekananda Yuva Bharati Kridangan, as well as I can hear the sound, the howling of Messi from inside the stadium as well. I am just outside the stadium, and there is a huge queue of people outside this main gate also, because people are eagerly waiting. They are waiting in the streets to have a glimpse, to have a look for Messi as well. So right now, I will ask my camera person to pan in the side of the gate from where the convoy of Messi will enter. And we can see that in few minutes, as being announced inside the stadium as well, that in few minutes, Leo Messi, the superstar, the Argentine superstar, will enter the stadium. And this convoy will come and he will get out of the convoy and he will walk towards the stadium. And this is the image we can show you in few minutes, as the huge fan base are all waiting. This is the VIP gate, the main gate, and the VVIPs fans all are waiting for Leo Messi. And the police is taking place, as we can see, in the main gate, as the car will come out, because the hotel is just adjacent to the stadium. And in few minutes, the howling sound is getting bigger and bigger, and Miss Messi will come in few minutes inside the stadium. And it's a convoy that is coming in. It's a convoy that is coming in. It's a convoy that is coming in, we can see. It's a live and exclusive image in India Today for our viewers. Messi's convoy is coming in and will get out of the convoy. It's live. It's first and live. the Messi's convoy. So it's a change in plan due to security reason. The convoy already entered the stadium, but it will go directly inside the stadium. That's how the Leo Messi arrives, and the people over here are howling right now, and the people are rushing to see and have a watch once for the Argentine superstar.